The latest drop in headline inflation as a result of a slowdown in food and rice inflation does not necessarily mean a continuing downtrend in rice prices moving forward. A slowdown in the surge or uptick of rice prices and not falling cost is what the rice inflation really means, claims the agriculture group SINAG, and as our Joshua Garcia dwells deeper in this report.
The Department of Agriculture is optimistic the price of rice will continue to slide in the coming months. The department is hopeful rice inflation will drop to as low as 9%, which will also lead to a slower overall inflation rate in the country.
Single digit, maganda yan. Makita natin noong panahon ng after RTL, after a year, ang laki ng naging stability ng inflation because of rice. Nasa mga 2 to 4% lang. So hopefully we can reach that level uli in the near future. Kasi yung rice, about 25% ng kabuuang food inflation dahil sa bigas. So kung bababa palalo yung bigas, lalong bababa yung food inflation at malaki yung magiging epekto sa kabuuang inflation numbers.
The DA further added that the effects of Executive Order Number 62, which reduces tariffs on imported rice, will soon be felt. Meanwhile, Congressman Wilbert Lee of the Agri-Party List believes supporting farmers is the most effective solution to inflation. Once their income is secured, production and supply will increase, leading to lower market prices. According to the SINAG Group, a lower inflation rate does not necessarily mean a drop in prices. Rather, it just means the rate of increase has slowed down. The group emphasized the tariff reviews should also go through legislators, not just the departments and agencies in agriculture.
Ang batas, dapat every review yan dinadaan sa Kongreso, except kung nakahinto ang Kongreso. So yung gagawin nila na executive department na lang mag-review, I don't think nasa legality wala silang power, na mag-review. Dapat kasi kung on session, dumaan sa Kongreso ang review ng tariff.
Meanwhile, according to data from the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, rice inflation slowed down from 20.9% in July to 14.7% in August of this year. Joshua Garcia from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.